Imagine your team working on a new data management software. While you are full of excitement at the start, unclear requirements and only high-level ideas can soon turn that excitement into frustration. You start wondering how to create a new tool. Do you have the right skills on your team? What's the best approach? And what kind of expertise you will need? Without a structured knowledge and approach, your project might take longer, cost more, or fail to deliver on its goals. In this clip, we will explore what the product design process is and how it can support your tool development, whether you are starting from scratch, working with wireframes, or enhancing an existing app. Welcome to Right Decisions, a series where we help you navigate through tough business choices using powerful visualizations of your data. Digital product design process is a structured approach that helps business craft solutions aligned with their goals and user needs. It's about analyzing, prototyping, and designing user-friendly, visually appealing interfaces. Why is product design crucial? It minimizes project failure risks, allows business owners to focus on their core expertise, validates ideas with users before development starts, saves time and budget by preventing late-stage changes. At its core, product design is a process of discovery and problem-solving. It aligns user needs, business objectives, and technical feasibility to create solutions that work seamlessly and intuitively. So, what are the benefits of product design for businesses? Many times, clients tell us one of these two. We want exactly that feature, or we want to improve the overall UX. These two needs may seem different, but they both arise from the same fear: failing to meet user expectations. This is where we introduce clients to a pre-development phase where, together with the multidisciplinary teams of experts, they can nail down key decisions on improving their software.
Effective product design ensures your tools are intuitive, increasing user engagement and satisfaction. It minimizes the risk of misaligned expectations by creating prototypes and validating ideas early. Clients benefit from products designed through the product design process, as they are easier to scale and maintain thanks to proactive consideration of future solutions. With intuitive, scalable solutions, we are considering meaningful AI-driven features, a priority for over 70% of decision makers, as confirmed in our study, AI for Diagrams and Graphs report. Advanced data management systems with integrated data flows and advanced user interactions should include innovative features that enable intuitive visualization and ensure future-proofing.
Now let's take a closer look at SaaS companies and their product development process. Some clients come with an existing app and want to introduce a new component based on the data they already have. Regardless of the stage in the product lifecycle, whether it's existing software or just an idea for a tool feature, the digital product design process plays a crucial role. So, how do they actually benefit from participating in the product design process?
Understanding users' needs and pain points is the foundation of an effective design process, especially for SaaS, where scalability is a key. By including designers, developers, analysts, project managers, and client-side stakeholders in the process, we can fully map the user experience, ensuring alignment with business goals, reducing risk, and improving usability. The product design process helps us gain a clear understanding of user priorities, market demands, and how to deliver scalable, tailored solutions.
Let's explore it a bit more with a specific example: creating intuitive and customizable dashboard. They might already have an existing product and are simply looking for overall UX and UI improvements. Creating an intuitive dashboard means balancing all features with a user-friendly interface to avoid overwhelming users with complexity. So, how the product design phase fit into this scenario?
We start with a discovery session prioritizing open communication to gain deeper insights into the client's product, idea, and vision. Through workshops and interviews, we identify user roles, workflows, and pain points to build a solid foundation. The goal is to establish a clear project scope, ensuring that expectations are aligned from the beginning and that the project has a solid, well-defined direction. We use insights from the discovery phase during the UX stage. Here, we create prototypes that match the user's vision. This process helps us confirm interdependencies and feasibility before we begin development. Next, we go to the UI phase, where we focus on refining the product's visual design. Before writing a single line of code, we establish a design system, a framework that guarantees both visual and functional consistency, supporting efficient development and scalability. Finally, we present a detailed project roadmap, keeping clients informed about every step and timeline, and providing a clear path forward for development.
The product design process begins with discovery session, workshops, and the user interviews, followed by analysis, prototyping, UI design, and a technical feasibility assessment. This approach has become standard for designing data visualization solutions. It effectively reduces time to market and ensures resources are used efficiently. If you are aiming to create data visualization solutions that users love, while saving time and effort, product design is the way forward. Now it's your turn. How do you think the product design process could improve your product? Let us know in the comments below and stay tuned for the next episode of Right Decisions.